The Gathering is part of the POTV network, the Power of the Voice network that's been established by Cardiff Youth Service, and the idea of that is to make sure that young people have a voice in terms of decision making or just general things in their community and get involved really.
They came together after 2 or 3 individuals started to work on other projects with us, and we realised that homelessness was a passion because they'd experienced it.
It just started with 2 of us, and we just started arranging venues and things like that. What we're going to do, how we're going to use the project to help other people.
It's all well and good professionals who go back to their house every day thinking about barriers, solutions and policy, but it needs to come from people that are experienced in.
We asked a few kids when we was doing a workshop with Charlotte County in the Welsh Assembly, and we asked them what does a homeless person look like, and they come up with the same things: dog, tramp, alcoholic, druggie. And then when you say, well, I'm homeless,
they look at you and think, oh my God.
They're confused and looking.
What the young people have decided that is one of the most appropriate ways is to actually go into schools and to be part of the core curriculum, and a petition was handed into the Welsh Assembly to say how important that is and that it should be in the national curriculum.
They face so much and they've come so far. The distance that each individual has travelled has been phenomenal, really.
Basically, it's all about team building in there and about homeless people. And look at someone else, they think, yeah, you're trapped, but it's not like that. Everyone got problems. That's what it's all about.
That's what we're telling people.
Trying to tell other people, homeless ain't all that bad.
Well done, guys. Real inspiration. Really proud of you. And we'll see where we go next. Yeah.